Thank you po sa nag-organize nito. Kasi mahirap pong magkasakit lalo na sa mga babae.
Ako po, si Nereandy Rodriguez. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa lahat ng doktor na tumulong po sa amin para sa medical mission po ito.
It's really uplifting, and I think that having this medical mission is really important because every woman, despite of their social status, deserves to have a proper health care and to be seen and heard, because every woman has a right to be heard.
This is my second time to attend this medical mission. I'm grateful and full of joy when we serve people na most especially ng first time nila na ma-screen, and very happy din kasi nakita namin na thankful din sila na naka-reach out kami for them.
It's my first time to attend this medical mission. Ayun, yung experience ko masaya. Talagang iba sa feeling yung tutulong ka talaga sa kapwa mo and sa mga hindi alam ko ano pong meron sa kalusugan nila, especially sa mga women.
We are here. This is our group. This is our safe space. And we are doing this to give the opportunity for the underserved, the forgotten, and the lost, but those who have no access to healthcare. So we are blessed that we have residents, we have nurses, and we have allied health personnel who come and join us.